right, go ahead, nigga. Let them know what you got on right now, man.
Yo, what's up? This right here is I just got this off my boy Alexojomo on Instagram. I don't know what he called this. This shit hard though. I fuck with it. It's better than what I had on. You know what I'm saying? Don't know what brand this is. I ain't gonna hold you. I just thought it looked good. Got some stacks. These were a gift. I don't know nothing about these. No brand, nothing. White Air Maxes. This is a 101. I don't know this is a 101. This is a gift too. I don't know. All of this shit really gifted to me. I really just put on a fit of some clothes. You know what I'm saying? I ain't never worn, but shit kind of cool. Nothing crazy.
Yeah.
Got it out for the night.
Oh, go ahead, bro.
Gucci bag. I had to switch book bags for the fit because the jacket went better with the Gucci bag type shit.
For sure. If Diddy asks you to party, you gonna say no, nigga?
Yeah, me and Diddy not partying.
Come on, bro. 50 million, bro.
Nah, I'm good though. I'm good.
All right, bro.
No, I'm good.
All right, bro. Bet.
What's going on? Proddiablos. You can follow me on Instagram, Proddiablos. I don't really got no fit on, but shit, I was support my boy Brand, goddamn. I really got the straight from work fit, you know what I'm saying? Like, I look like I came straight out the goddamn factory, goddamn. But goddamn, look at the jacket. That's all that matters. That's all that fucking matters. That's all that matters. That's all that matters. Word of Wick. Yeah, Word of Wick on Instagram. Look that shit up right now.
For sure. Go ahead, bro. What's that shirt you got on, nigga?
I'm not even all the way sure, bro. You put that shit up over there.
Yeah, that's another piece by Alexojomo on Instagram. Go fuck with that kid. Go fuck with him.
Hold on, let me go. I'm about to grab my shit from the car.
Y'all niggas want to fit? You want to fit check? Go ahead.
Oh, shit. I got the overtime hoodie. You already know what you got to do to get these hoodies.
Yeah.
You know, got the raw pants. What you know about these two, boy?
I don't know nothing about that.
They're dirty, but on God, you're not knowing for
Dirty
real.
shit.
You're not knowing for real. If you from up north, you know. If you know, you know.
Go ahead, nigga. Let them know.
Yeah, what's it called? I'll go by now. What's going on with y'all? I'm a fashion designer out here, you feel me? Pieces I got on is my shit. These hoodies I just dropped. Tapestry, you feel me? Front and back. Motherfucking pants, you feel me? Flares on the side. Yo, tapping with the brand Valzo. You see the brand right? They put it right? Yo, Valzo, I'm tapping with this shit. And I go by 9. And like, I'm really like, I'm not gonna say too much, but coming soon.
Go ahead, nigga.
Never waste more than $20 on an outfit. These are women's shoes. I got heels when I walk. You can hear I speak volumes when I walk into the room. Ripped jeans that I found somewhere. This busted ass belt. This fucking flower jacket. Look at this. I paid like $4 for this at Psycho Sisters or some shit like this. Some girl gave me this. I stole this from a white person a long time ago. Just little essentials, you know. Cameras. Charger. Glasses. Chain. Stay with the Lord. I go. If you know, you know. Of course.
What's up, bro? Go ahead. Break down your shit, bro.
Oh shit, this ain't even my shit. This is just my brand. I'm shooting the sound check. Finna give each artist like a 5 video to promote the event type shit. But yeah, that's what I'm here doing. I got my pieces over here.
Would you wanna break down the inspiration, bro?
Oh, the inspiration. This is just my brand, Alpha Co. This is a piece we came out with last year. The rhinestone, mental health is real. Got these jerseys we about to drop. We dropping them in black first, then red second. Got this beanie I made. Crazy reversible beanie. That Mike Tyson joint. Everything we do is handmade in Atlanta. We make everything ourselves. So yeah.
Yes, sir.
Shop the brand. Follow us on IG. Shop Alpha Code. Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
Hey everybody, today my outfit is, this shirt is from Shein, the shoes are from Amazon, the pants came from a special designer. I would have to look them back up and put them on here. Belt, Hot Topic, chain, Spencer's are Hot Topic, jacket. This jacket, this is my favorite jacket. I got this from a special boutique. Like, it's been in my closet for years. I never wore it. And I was like, I'm gonna wear it one day for the right occasion. And I guess today's the day.
Got DJ Astro.
Hokilledsmook. It's Hokilledsmook.
Alright.
We're doing the, what is it, like a rehearsal?
Yeah, like sound check.
Basically sound check rehearsal.
Sound check.
For this nigga right here.
Not this nigga, your friend, bro. You gotta be more like,
Biggest league Astro.
DJ Astro.
Got Savoo in this bitch.
Yeah, biggest league them motherfuckers.
Jay, what you
Not
got?
about
Boy,
shit.
give me energy.
Smoke.
You feel me? Listen, I wanna get Smook. Because that's the Don right there. Rest in peace, Zoe, too. Don't ever forget about it.
RIP Zoe, man. Zodiac. You know what I'm saying? My partner, bro. RIP.
He's on the way. I mean, he's here. He already has camera.
But shit, since you got the camera, I might as well do got your fit
Yeah,
check.
you better
Go
get
ahead,
your
go
picture. You better-
Goddamn, I really can't slight today. Niggas had a little job interview, but niggas still dripping though.
Yeah.
Goddamn, went Greg Lauren on the tee. This Calvin Klein.
What's up?
Calvin Klein on the jacket. This ain't regular Calvin Klein. This Rap Simmons Calvin Klein. Goddamn. I really came Ricky on the goddamn denim. Oh, I almost had to do it to him, but I got Rick on the denim. Went all the way to the boot. So, some slight shit, man. Some slight.
Hey, if Diddy want to party, you gonna say yes or no, bro?
Nigga, what? Nigga.
50 million, he'll give you 50 million right now, bro. Just go to the party. He gonna take you out shopping, nigga.
50, nigga, I take myself out shopping, nigga. 50 million though? Like, hell no, I don't go that way. I don't play that way, gang. I don't play that game. It's a no-fly zone, exit only.
Alright, go ahead. What we got with us, nigga?
Yeah, 2-letter van here.
Go ahead,
sure.
bro.
PH from the 3 with it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, go ahead. Break down the shit you got on right now.
I got on the purple hoodie, polo tee, denim tear, light pendant.
Yeah.
You feel me? Light pendant.
Oh shit. Oh yeah, what you do, nigga?
Rap.
You rap.
Just dropped. I won the TikTok song.
Yeah.
Just hit 98K. 98K.
If
on
PD,
Instagram.
if Diddy asks you to party, you gonna say yes, bro?
Yeah, for sure.
For sure, bro. Alright, go. What you got on, bro?
Shit, I got on Bad Girl Next Door, you feel me? Slight thrifted flannel, you know what I'm trying to say? Japanese vintage jorts, gotta keep them baggy. Goddamn, had to go to socks with Brad Force, slight day. And I got this chain from Milan, my pride's possession, my pride and joy, you know? Yeah, just for the seasons tour. Djastrolitasf.
For sure.
Don't die by it, live by it.
Go ahead,
So
bro.
crazy, I'm go ahead, talking shit, you know what I'm saying? You ain't gonna die by it, live by it. Too crazy, nigga. So crazy.
We still positive though. We still positive.
Tell him about the brand right quick, nigga.
Yo,
Niggas still
Go
down
ahead,
by
tell
shit
him.
every day.
yo.
Cause I know you about to vend, right? You vending, right, nigga?
Yeah, well, my man's,
Oh, yeah, bro.
we got some shit we cooking up.
Blue boy
Rebirth.
shit.
Yeah, Rebirth.
Go ahead.
It's that
Wanna
shit,
break
that
down? Go
Blue
ahead.
Religion type shit.
Yeah, what's the hat, nigga?
It's that Alpha Code, nigga.
Talk about it.
It's that fucking Alpha Code on my body type shit. I don't want to hear you. I don't want to hear you. You don't love me. You don't love me. Yo, we here.
Go ahead,
Feel
bro.
me?
What made you wanna do this one? go big on these niggas.
You got these niggas? Honestly, bro. I don't know why Third keeps calling me like Third. Like you're not a. Are you a friend? Why are you talking to me? Who are you? Are you? Leaving there. I'm staying here for a grip. I'm here.
Okay.
Just all you have to do is upon arrival.
Because it doesn't matter, like rock stars.
I'm seeing my location.
But that's cute too, though.
All right.
Go ahead, bro.
Yeah, you can rock it.
I look hard as fuck.
I'm already in my element.
Yeah, it's a motherfucking one-on-one.
Oh, one-on-one, bro?
You know what? I have
My
an
brother Alex be
eyeliner, but
putting
it's
shit
a
on
regular
like a cat.
What I want
It's not
to
liquid.
They be cooking that shit up.
Honestly, bro.
Everybody keep on.
Like I feel like when it comes to this, like not even just like I'm not even gonna say sweet shit. I'm just gonna say like existing as a human. Like I don't know who people think they are. I don't know if people think they're like God or whatever. And people think they can point their fingers and. I feel like okay, that was a paradox. What I want to say is like I just love seeing the community grow, but I feel like there's like been the specific weather in the air where I feel like people are just not hugging each other. Where I feel like the community needs creativity. It's like we need new Atlanta. You know what I'm saying? I feel like my creative, my mind, my team, my niggas, we got the vision for it, and I feel like this shit is just feel like this is like the rebirth. I feel like there's been certain areas that have been stuck. Ooh, Gloria GTG, give me energy. I gotta
talking
give
shit.
Got on the motherfucking Alpha Code. You already know what the fuck
going.
Big bulldog shit.
Peanut and lamb.
I'm phase exhibit shit.
I'm phase exhibit
Nitrix shit.
Nitrix shit.
Big 30 and Big March 30.
Hey, Big J5 shit though.
Big J5 shit.
Big J5 shit though. Big J5.
Go ahead, break the shit down though. Let them know the shit.
Okay, this is a one-on-one bag. Nigella.
Trying to die about shit on God.
Little snow hat. Alpha Code. Little Zara jeans. Some slight. Little. I don't know what you call it. Fur boots, bear boots, you know.
Where Alice at?
Go ahead.
Yo, it's XN. Nine this bitch.
Break down the fit.
Alright, so we got pins in the ear, you know. Gotta have pins, you know. You already know what this is. Come on. Ain't no Pokemon. Some slight for today, you know. Hair's crazy. I'm always sleeves.
Go ahead, tell them what you got on.
Alright, so got a nice chain on, got grill on. I got this shirt, bro. This shirt came from Amazon. This shit's still hard though. I got this shit from the mall. Demonias. What else? Coach purse. Mario book bag. That's all I got for y'all.
Tell them about that. You still do tattoos and shit?
Yeah, I still do tattoos. I do tattoos and piercings at, well, you can hit me up at Sakura Kuromi.
Yeah, bet. Let's get a picture. We gotta get a picture together. That one's yours though? I got it from in there. I swear I pulled up with it. Nah, I pulled up with this polo sport jacket on. Oh God. I just got hot in that bitch. That don't mean I was like it all.
And I'm getting cool in this bitch. I ain't gonna lie. That's the reason I put it on.
Yeah, go ahead. What were you saying about your editing shit? Or photo editing?
So I originally started editing my pictures on Photoshop on my PC, but then some dumb shit happened. I cracked the software. I mean, no, I didn't, but but I can't use the software no more on my PC. So I have another PC that I edit on now, but for a minute I was just using Lightroom on my phone. That shit really easy. Honestly, that's the best editing app you can use on your phone right now. Lightroom. Like, you really want some 5 flicks? Cause you can color grade on there. You can't really color grade on most editing apps. Most people don't color grade in general. They don't really know what it means to do that. But you can really like change the color of the highlights and the shadows and shit. Like, it's a big factor. I don't know. But really, I just be like, I didn't have no set photographer. I really just let it's really just whoever I hand the camera to or hand my phone to, and then I go edit it. But I'm pretty good at taking other people's pictures, but everybody not that great at taking pictures of me, in my opinion.
Cause you want a certain look, or you know.
Yeah, cause
you just don't be getting your angles right, type shit. Yeah.
Precisely. I feel like that's also what makes my photography so unique. Like, I just took pictures for JB just now. Probably the hardest hardest flicks he gonna have on his whole feet. I swear. Like, but I don't know, bro. Yeah, it's all about the angles. It's all about the angles. But the editing beat is a big piece. That's why I'm trying to learn video editing. That's gonna change everything.
You can use anything like CapCut, motherfucking. I use Premiere, but you know.
Yeah, I have After Effects and I have Premiere, but I've never used them. But I be editing my reels and shit in CapCut. CapCut is pretty. I like CapCut just because it's user friendly. That shit like really easy to use. I feel like anybody, if you get the Pro Edition, that shit like $8 a month. You can edit anything on that motherfucker. It look pretty solid. Only thing about that is like it always looks nice, but if somebody's an editor, they're gonna be able to look at your shit and be able to tell that you made that shit in CapCut. Like I can tell that's a CapCut transition or whatever the fuck. But I don't know. I'm about to learn that shit. Video. Once I know video editing is really over with. If I can get this shit out of here.